Hello, I'm Wieger from the Overflow. Today we're gonna clean the river because it's so dirty. Come and join with me.
3, 2, 1.
Overflow! I started my journey from Overflow Bali, walking through rice fields and passing through a secret little door to race the river. After carefully walking down the path, I arrived at the river and began picking up plastic. Was it scattered around the area? I also cleaned the surroundings, including the small temple beside the river, to help keep nature clean and peaceful. Small action can make a big difference. By protecting our river, we help protect nature for its future. I saw some coconuts. Yeah, in that tree. There. Don't forget to keep following my journey in caring for and protecting nature.